In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Venmo account. Step-by-step guide 2025. Verifying your account helps lift sending and withdrawal limits and unlock certain features while keeping your profile compliant with financial regulations. Before we start, make sure you have a government-issued ID handy, a good internet connection, and clear lighting for photos. Everything we'll do is inside the Venmo app. Never share your login or personal details with anyone outside the app. Begin by opening the Venmo app and signing into your account. From the home screen, tap Me, which is your profile tab at the bottom. This takes you to your profile page where you can access settings and verification. Next, tap the settings icon and choose Identity Verification. Tap Next to start the process. Venmo is required by law to confirm your identity, so accuracy matters here. Make sure your legal name and address match what's on your ID. If you recently moved, update your address in your profile first to avoid mismatches. When prompted, enter your personal information. This typically includes your full legal name, date of birth, and current residential address. Type slowly and double-check spellings and numbers for typos. Use your legal name as it appears on your ID, no nicknames or abbreviations. You'll then be asked to upload documents as proof. Acceptable IDs usually include a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Follow the on-screen prompts for front and back captures if required. If the app asks for a selfie to match your ID, position your face in the frame, remove hats or sunglasses, and use even lighting. Submit the documents in the app and ensure the images are clear, complete, and unexpired. Tips for great photos. Lay the ID on a flat surface. Use bright indirect light to avoid glare. Keep all four corners visible. And clean the camera lens. Avoid scans or photocopies. Take original photos. If an image looks blurry, retake it before submitting. After you submit, wait for review. Venmo may take up to 3 business days, sometimes a bit more, to verify. During this time, avoid repeated submissions unless the app specifically requests more info. You can check the status in the identity verification section and keep notifications on so you don't miss updates. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation in the app and possibly by email. Your account will show as verified and your limits and eligible features will update automatically. If your submission isn't approved, review the feedback, fix any typos, and re-upload clearer, unexpired documents that match your details. That's it. Open Venmo, go to Me Settings, Identity Verification, enter your info, upload clear ID photos, submit, wait, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your verification.